A week ago it looked dead. Gosh, I think it was about 4 days ago. Here we are. The remainder of dead leaves here. But new life. New life on this beautiful, beautiful grape plant that I've been trying to grow for the last 3 years. Still weeds to be pulled, but there's new life on it. Hallelujah. Shalom. This is Darla Wright. I want to invite you over to our sister channel, Hebrew Code Searching, to participate in fellowship with our live stream study that we just finished on Yom Teruah. It's a feast of blowing. It's a feast of shouting. Today is the first day of the fall feast of Yahuwah, found in Leviticus 23. We had a beautiful service, and I just want to invite you over. Come for refreshing, for filling with the word of Yahuwah. Be expectant. We're going to be talking about the rapture, about the greater Exodus, and we just want to invite you to be in fellowship with us there. Hebrew Code Searching on YouTube. Shalom.